These are the small steps that will make a huge difference in your life when you are trying to declutter and change just the way that you think, your mindsets, all that good stuff. First off, donation bins. Having a place that you can easily put an item as soon as you decide you no longer want it means that that item will not continue taking up space in your home. Plus, that helps you keep making those decisions and thinking decluttering thoughts more often, which is going to help you out with changing your mindset. The small step cards. Remember, these are available in the store at susannakay.com and click on shop, and they're towards the top with the physical products. But the small step cards, these are 100 different cards with a quick declutter step on them that you can just do that one step, like this one, find one kitchen appliance. This is one of the harder ones, but they take generally 5 minutes or less, definitely no more than 10 minutes. And if you're just pulling one of those, either once a day or several times a week or once a week, then that is training your brain again to make those decision-making thoughts and questions happen. So you've got that practice, that repetition that makes it stick and changes the way you think. And the gift bin, sympathy cards, small sympathy thinking of you gifts, the gifts that you find throughout the year on sale or that are perfect for that person, so you're more prepared later. And it just makes it super easy.